Doc, need one. One run.
521.
Start me a card for a parking problem.
10-4 in your 23.
Yes, that's 4. I'll get a 28 from one truck when you're ready.
Go ahead.
Here's a line truck, Boy Lincoln X-ray 985 should come back up next to the building.
Oh, you had 2000. Patrick Spalding.
10-4. If you can just put a little note in on the log that I'm going to be leaving a note on his vehicle advising him to remove it.
10-4. Rockingham 505. 505 and shifting Dillison case for Athens, clean it, soon to be X, slash her tires, and has made threatening comments to her. She's concerned he might return.
Forgive this at 32.
10-4. 532, you're assigned to a vandalism case at Athens. Did you copy the 505?
Yeah, 4. Name 7.